Welcome to this overview of Insight, an applicant tracking system that streamlines and centralizes your entire hiring process, no matter how complex. Without an applicant tracking system, screening and tracking applicants by hand, one by one, is tedious and time-consuming. It drags out the entire hiring process for both you and your candidates, putting stress on your team to take on the workload of the unfilled position and losing out on candidates who get impatient and accept other jobs when they don't hear back from you. By using an ATS like Insight, you'll improve the application experience for candidates and your hiring team, and ultimately speed up time to hire with the ability to screen applications in seconds and track the entire hiring process in one place. We're excited to show you how Insight gives new employees a modern, easy application experience, automates and standardizes candidate screening and reviews, and gives hiring managers complete visibility into hiring progress across your organization. And when you're a NEOGOV customer, we'll explain how you're getting a deeply integrated platform of solutions that makes managing everyday work in all areas of HR easier, faster, and more enjoyable for everyone. Let's start at the beginning. Use Insight to create and manage all your job listings in one place. Easily start building a new job posting directly from your dashboard. Fill in the job details with drop-down field options available based on your organization's preset options to help you work more efficiently. Add required or optional supplemental questions to applications to speed up the screening process. Send requests for new job openings through workflows for manager review and sign-off as needed. Then, you're ready to create the job posting and make it live for candidates to start applying. If you're urgently hiring for a position, or one of your jobs has been posted for a while without much interest, promote the job opening on other job boards with Insight's free Job Target advertising integration. Job Target has over 25,000 job boards you can pay to advertise your job openings on, including LinkedIn and Indeed. Target highly qualified candidates by advertising on a variety of niche industry job boards like Higher Ed Jobs and Police One, or advertise on regional job boards to attract local candidates. When candidates find your job and fill out an application, they see all the steps they need to complete, so they know how far they are in the process. It's easy to click through, and a green check mark will appear for each section when they're done. Unlike other popular applicant tracking systems, candidates don't have to create a new profile every time they apply for a job. If a candidate has used NEOGOV's job posting site, governmentjobs.com, to apply for any job in the past, they can simply log back into their profile and the system will autofill their information into your application, saving them time and effort. Candidates can change or add whatever is needed to fit your job posting. Once all the sections are complete, candidates click Submit and your organization instantly receives their application. After a candidate applies to your job, they can see the status of their application. They can also receive email notifications when the status changes. It's good to note that the entire candidate application process is also mobile friendly, so you don't have to worry about formatting issues when candidates apply on their phones. When your hiring team is ready to begin reviewing applications, don't waste time looking through underqualified applicants. Automatically rank candidates based on their responses to your application questions and test scores to quickly identify the most qualified candidates to move to the interview stage. Setting up interviews in Insight is easy too. Instead of emailing back and forth to find a good time, let candidates self-schedule their interview based on the time slots you have available. This is faster and more convenient for your candidates. If your organization uses search committees, use rating matrices and set rating criteria to support consistent, fair reviews. Assign raters and see all feedback in one place, and automatically calculate average applicant scores based on your rater scores. Easily see how your open jobs are moving through the hiring process at a glance, or dig deeper and track the progress of every step in your evaluation process for individual roles. When you've selected your chosen candidate, send a digital offer letter and attachments that candidates can electronically review and sign. With Insight, run and export reports without having to ask IT for help. Use the standard reports available or create custom reports for your specific data needs. EEO reporting lets you measure applicant ethnicity, gender, and more to meet any state compliance requirements. Track the number of applications received per job posting and see which jobs are performing well and which ones might need extra support. Track time to hire to understand how quickly your jobs move through the hiring process and where you can make improvements to speed that process up. To streamline all stages of your organization's hiring process, Insight also integrates with third-party vendors. Conduct online testing and assessments to measure candidates' skills and behaviors. Set up video interviews. Send candidates text messages when their application status changes, and conduct background checks with seamless third-party connections so you can manage every step of your hiring process in Insight. Insight is just one solution in NEOGOV's HR software platform. As part of a suite of products from the same vendor, it comes with cross-product integrations that make work easier by streamlining everyday HR processes in one system. With NEOGOV's Attract Candidate Relationship Manager, reach out to past applicants from your Insight database when you have a new job opening that matches their skills. For public safety roles, send qualifying applicants to Vetted, NEOGOV's background investigation software, so hiring managers can easily review a candidate's application and supplemental questions. After a candidate is given an employee status in Insight, they can be sent into Preboarding and Onboard, our onboarding software, so they can complete paperwork and feel welcomed into your organization before their first day on the job. When you have NEOGOV HRIS, a candidate status update to employee at Insight also sends their data to HRIS for your records, with no manual work required. This integration makes it easy to start processes for payroll, benefits, time tracking, and more. To recap, Insight simplifies complex hiring processes by automating processes, centralizing your hiring steps, and giving you complete visibility throughout your organization. With this applicant tracking system, hiring teams can work faster, and candidates can feel good about their experience with your organization. Plus, view real-time reports on your hiring process and leverage convenient integrations across the NEOGOV platform to streamline daily HR tasks for your entire workforce. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Insight. Are you ready to make hiring in the public sector easier and more efficient? Get Insight.